Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're gonna learn how to change your Macy's account password. If you don't have a Macy's account, we will put a link in the description below for you to sign up. But if you already have an account, just open the website, then click Sign In. Now, sign in with your email and password. Once you're signed in, you will see several options at the left side menu. Click on the option that says Profile. Under Contact/Security, you will see a section for Password. Beside it is an option for Edit. Click on Edit. Then a pop-up window will appear. Now on the first field, enter your current password. Then on the second field, enter the new password you wish to use. After entering, click on Save. That's how you change your Macy's account password. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.